All right, today I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make your own cream of chicken soup. So let's go. All right, you guys, we need 1/3 cup of butter melted in a pan. We're melting it on a low heat. And then we're gonna mix in 1/3 cup of flour, and we're just gonna constantly stir. And we're gonna keep this on a low heat pretty much the whole time we're making it. We're just going to mix it up real good. Don't worry if there's any flour bits that you haven't mixed in. And then we will add a 1/2 cup of, I have chicken bone broth here. So we're just gonna stir that in really good. Incorporate it all. It's definitely starting to get creamy, like a soup, like a cream soup. It's smelling amazing. Here we added our 1/2 cup of milk, so we're mixing that in. It's looking really good. Soup is done. Pop it in a mason jar, put it in the fridge, and put it in a recipe whenever you want. All right, peace out, guys.